I did this show Big Brother, and I was cut off from the world for 4.5 months without a cell phone.
Reality TV star Derek Frazier spoke to Hatboro-Horsham high school students about his experiences on reality TV and how social media impacted his career and changed his life.
Coming in from reality TV, you get a chance to connect with all these different people. I would have never expected that I'd be talking in front of a class full of students if I didn't make the connection with Mr. Pace over there and talking about life and communication and social media and things like that. I got the opportunity to do that because of community building.
Building a social media community is one of the core ingredients to Derek's lecture on establishing a social media platform. However, Derek cautions students to keep clear of social media pitfalls.
You have to understand when either you go into it as being a reality star and falling into it, or maybe you want to grow your streaming, Twitch, you're trying to be a social media influencer, it does come with a lot of responsibility. I have read so many nasty things and they could get to you. And sometimes you gotta take that time to take a step back. And it's okay to be vulnerable sometimes. I'll be like, I ask my friend, like, am I really that mean? And my friend would be like, no, you're not. Why are you listening to, Cat Lady 101 XOX?
Despite the negative side of social media, creating an online platform can become an income stream for some people. Derek gave students some advice before jumping into that realm.
You have to understand what you're getting yourself into and understand exactly what you're doing. What is the outcome? What is the outcome you want? Are you here to gain more followers? Are you here to get paid? Or is this more for fun? But I always say it's a mixture of everything. You have to enjoy what you're putting out, and you have to be confident and understand it might get 1 view. It might get 2 views. But if you stay on top of it and actually do it correctly, it could turn into millions, billions. You never know.
Derek's social media presence was substantial while he was a reality TV celebrity. That lifestyle has taken a backseat to Derek's current passion in cybersecurity.
I went to school for communications, wanting to do radio, TV, and film, and I end up now, like I'm saying, I'm going back to school for my master's, changing my career path. I don't want to be in a career I'm in anymore. So I always say you don't have to have everything right. You're going to go through so many mazes, but the most important thing is as long as you get your degree, or if you want to stay in school longer, do that while still doing the other things you want to achieve.
Hatboro-Horsham High School wishes to thank Derek for his visit to our school and his valuable advice to our students.
Thank you so much. Thank you.